High-quality alloy steel. This impact socket wrench set is made of extra solid alloy steel, which can withstand abrasion and wear. They have a sturdy construction that will not easily crack under high pressure for maximum strength and longevity. Superior performance. Whether you drive them with an impact wrench or by hand, these premium chrome vanadium sockets deliver superior performance. The impact socket set features a 6-point, high-torque design that contacts and grips the stronger flat sides of the nut or bolt head, not the weaker corners. 26 sockets included. This effort-saving half-an-inch drive impact socket set comes with 26 deep impact drive sockets, 10 mm, 11 mm, 12 mm, 13 mm, 14 mm, 15 mm, 16 mm, 17 mm, 18 mm, 19 mm, 20 mm, 21 mm, 22 mm, 23 mm, 24 mm, 25 mm, 26 mm, 27 mm, 28 mm, 29 mm, 30 mm, 32 mm, 33 mm, 34 mm, 35 mm, 36 mm. Compact portable. The half-an-inch impact socket set includes a sturdy storage case for organization and transport, making this a great group of sockets for mechanics. Wide application. This torque multiplier truck is perfect for removing and installing wheel lug nuts, particularly suitable for most trucks, RVs, and other heavy-duty vehicles. Top reviews from the United States. Awesome price for the variety of sizes. This set for the price, variety of sizes and durability? Can't beat it.